In this video, I'm going to show you how to find student guides and lesson answer keys that go with each of our lessons. These can be used as guided notes for each lesson. I'm not collecting them. They are only for your own use. They can help you follow along with the reading in the textbook for each lesson. You can also use these student guides and answer keys to help you study and to help with your assignments as well. So, for example, if I was looking for a student guide or lesson answer key in Unit 1, I would go to Class Content and Unit 1. You can see here on the screen, it's called One Civilization Begins. I can click on this blue launch button to get into Unit 1. And once you're in each unit, at the very top of the page, you'll see a link to the student resources. You can click on the student resources link. So for example, if I'm looking for a student guide or lesson answer key for lesson 1.03, now that I'm in the student resources, I would have to click on this second box up at the top. It's called Materials. And again, if I'm looking for the lesson 1.03 student guide, I would have to scroll down. And you can see here, lesson 3 is called Finding Our Past. So right here we have the links to the student guide and answer key for lesson 1.03. If you click on the student guide, it will open up on your computer. And you can see at the top, it lets you know the lesson objectives, what you're trying to do. It will also give you some of the keywords for this lesson, the instructions. It shares the page numbers in your book that you can use, that you can answer the questions with below. And you can see there's a print icon up at the top. If you want to, you can print out this student guide. Or if you'd rather type on it, you can move it into a Word document just by copying and pasting it. If you're looking to copy something, just move your mouse in front of the first letter, click down on the left mouse key, hold that down, and you can scroll over. You can see that it highlights that. If you keep moving down, it'll let you highlight the whole thing. And then once everything's highlighted, you press on your keyboard the Control button and the letter C at the same time for copying. Then I can open up a blank Word document. Once I have my cursor in my Word document, to paste what I just copied, I press the Control button and the V button on the keyboard. And that pastes that student guide right into your Word document. And then you can click on it, you can type your answers to the questions. And you'll also notice under your materials that there's a lesson answer key. You're welcome to check that out as well. And you'll see that the answer key is just a completed version of the student guide. It would have those same exact questions with the answers included. So you can use this to check your work, to review what you should have read and learned from that lesson as well. And as always, if you have some questions or if you'd like some help, feel free to contact me.